Hey guys, it's Alexis. Another update video to waste your time. This one's a little bit significant. I'll explain here in a second. But as of right now, indefinitely, I'm gonna be slowing down dramatically on the YouTube videos. Why? I got a lot going on. Wifey's business taking off. I'm really helping her on that end. Am I closing my business? No, I'm not. I'm still doing that. But I just don't have time for the YouTube videos. With that being said, there's two things I want to address, and that is the Firefighter suspender template. There's a link in the description where you can download that. It does not have a build along video. It's a secret page. So when you click that link, it's gonna ask you for a password. The password is gonna be Alexis is a girl's name. All one word, no spaces. Alexis is a girl's name. So use that to enter so you can download the pattern for that. Also, I'm gonna have other patterns in that secret shop that do not have a build along video, which include the briefcase and the clutch bag. So that's why it's called the secret shop, because these products are not complete. I still need to do the build along videos. But if you want to tackle it, feel free. I'm not gonna be able to answer any specific questions because I'm gonna be really tied up. So that's that. Number two is the memberships. All right. So for all my members that are watching this, I apologize. I told you guys I was gonna do member only live streams. I tried that, kind of didn't work. I really don't have that many members only videos. I just don't have enough time. So with that being said, I might dissolve the membership, because out of all fairness, I don't want you to give me money and then there's nothing there to offer. So, which means you're gonna lose your little special badge with the mustache. But if you guys really want it, keep it there. Just let me know and then I'll just keep it if you really want to have that little badge. But there's nothing else I'm gonna be able to offer for you guys as far as the members. Like I said, business is staying open. I'm gonna slow down on that a little bit as far as being able to take on certain orders, but I have something else that's more pressing. I have to be a good steward of my money, my finances, and what's best for my family. And that is gonna be basically getting into or starting to help build my wife's business, and that is in real estate. So I had my license, I let it lapse like a fool, and now I got to take more classes to get it back again. So it's not a big deal. I can help her on other ends. So I've been doing that. Actually, you guys don't know that, but I've been doing that for about 6 months, and now it's getting to a point where I need to spend more time there. Yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts, comments below in the box. But I'm gonna be taking a little bit of hiatus on YouTube, only out of necessity. I wish I could do it all. I wish there was 48 hours in a day. I wish I didn't have a full-time job so I could just do this and that at the same time. I just don't have enough time. And like I said, it's best for my family for me to go pursue that and actually help Wifey and grow her business, because we are seeing the fruits of that, and it'd be foolish for me to spend tons of time on YouTube videos. But like I said, check out that link. It's a secret shop. It's gonna have the briefcase template. It's gonna have the Firefighter suspender template and that little clutch. And then that's it. Eventually I'll get around to build along videos, and once those build along videos go up, then I'll change it from the secret shop and I'll put it on my main shop. So for all of those that watched for a long time and supported me in the channel and the members and everything else, I am super grateful. My family's super grateful. It's been fun. I'm not disappearing. It's just gonna take a little hiatus for a little bit to see where this leads us and my family. I think it's best for my family. Yeah, this is kind of hard because I really enjoy the videos. But if you guys want to see me, I'm probably gonna be on my wife's channel. I'll put a little link right here. This is her channel, and you'll see me there a lot more. Okay, so I'm not disappearing. I'm just focusing my time and efforts on something that's a little more fruitful financially. So yeah, if you guys want to see me and you miss me so much and you missed this glorious stash, I'll be over there. So check out that channel, like the videos there, subscribe there. I'll be there a lot more, so I'm moving from here to there essentially. I'm rambling, but yeah, let me know about the memberships. I'm still torn on that. I don't know if you guys really want to keep it there. I might adjust it and say this membership is useless. You're gonna waste your money. You're spending $2 a month for a badge. I could do that. If you guys want to, usually let me know. Other than that, God bless you guys. Talk to you later. Bye, Felicia.